Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Our today's lecture is of step by step English grammar level 5. Let's start our lecture. Lesson number 8, prefixes. Sometimes we add some letters before a word to give a different meaning to the word. बाज़ औक़ात हम कुछ लेटर्स ऐड करते हैं हमारे मेन वर्ड से, जो रूट वर्ड भी कहलाता है, उससे पहले, टू गिव अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग टू दी वर्ड, अपने वर्ड को मुख्तलिफ मतलब देने के लिए. प्रीफिक्सेस आर लेटर्स एडेड बिफोर अ वर्ड. प्रीफिक्सेस जो हैं ये ऐसे लेटर्स होते हैं जो हमारे रूट वर्ड से पहले यूज़ होते हैं. लेटर्स एडेड बिफोर अ वर्ड आर कॉल्ड prefixes. Sometimes prefixes change the meaning of the word such that it means the opposite. बाज़ औक़ात प्रीफिक्स ऐड करने से हमारा मीनिंग ऑपोजिट हो जाता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ट्रू एंड अन लगा दिया मेन वर्ड रूट वर्ड से पहले तो वो बन गया अनट्रू. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड स्टडी द टेबल बिलो. कंप्लीट इट बाय फिलिंग इन द एम्प्टी सेल्स. Kind, unkind, wise, unwise, unhappy, unhappy, interesting, uninteresting, indivisible, insoluble, impossible, impatient, immobile, imperfect, distrust, disarm, illegitimate, illiterate, literate, illiterate, illegitimate, anti-clockwise, anti-aging, anti-perspirant. Practice. All prefixes don't mean the opposite. Here are some more prefixes. One example has been given for each. Write one more example of your own in your notebook for each. You may refer to a dictionary for help. By means to, bicycle. Ex, out of, export. Biotic, external. Inter, between, interval, intermission. Miss, wrong, misbehave, misunderstanding. Re, again, replace, recap. Sub, under, subway, subscribe. B, copy the sentences below and add prefix to one word in the sentence so that it means the opposite. 1. The boy is in class are disobedient. Are very disobedient. Please unlock the door. He was very impatient with me. He said it was impossible to fly to the moon in an aeroplane. He adopted the baby in an illegal way. C. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Complete them by filling the blanks with a suitable word given below. I was bored listening to his rather uninteresting story. Since I cannot come back before Friday, please postpone the meeting fixed for tomorrow. Dad looked very unhappy with my performance in the tests. He was sacked for showing disloyalty to his organization. Students, extended exercise is your home task. Form your own words with the following prefixes, then use the words in sentences of your own. Write the sentences in your notebook. Trans, post, pre, mono, auto, pro, tree, inter. Students, if you have any question regarding lesson 8 prefixes, you can ask me in comment box. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.